Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. Today we're going to talk about triads, major and minor triads. Now, what is a triad? A triad is the first, third, and fifth note of a major scale. Now, that's a major triad. The minor triad would be the first, flat third, and fifth note of the major scale. If we look at the key of C major, which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, the first note is C, the third note is E, and the fifth note is G. Those are the notes in a C major chord. So what we're going to do is learn how to play triads on the open strings of the guitar and then play the corresponding chords. Here's the E major chord. The notes in that chord are E, G sharp, and B. In order to play those chords on one string, we're going to go to the open string, the 4th fret, and the 7th fret. Those are the notes in an E major chord. E, G sharp, and B. If we go to the A string, the 4th fret, and the 7th fret, we get A, C sharp, E. Those are the notes in an A major chord. If we go to the D string, open D, 4th fret, F sharp, and A, or D, F sharp, A, we have the notes in a D major chord. Let's go to the G string. Open G, B, D. Those are the notes in a G major chord. The B string, B, D sharp, F sharp. Those are the notes in a B major chord. And then the high E string, E, G sharp, B, again. The notes in an E major chord. Now if we wanted to do this as an exercise, what we would do is play each triad on the open string and then follow with the corresponding chord. Okay, so we'll go, that's E, G sharp, B, E chord. A, C sharp, E, A chord. D, F sharp, A, D chord. G, B, D, G chord. B, D sharp, F sharp, B chord. E, G sharp, B, E chord. That will improve our picking of the notes and switching from one chord to another. Now if we want to improve the picking, just go then go backwards. Here we go. let's talk about minor triads. Now a minor triad would be the open string, fret 3, and fret 7. So we play the one note of the key, the flat third, which is at fret 3, and the fifth, which is at fret 7. So if we wanted to play minor triads, we play this. And if we wanted to play corresponding chords, we'd play E, G, B, E minor, A, C, E, A minor, D, F, A, D minor, G, B flat, D, G minor, B, D, F sharp, B minor, E, G, B, back to E minor. So that's how we can play major and minor triads and major and minor chords and get a good chord note workout in the process. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.